warm welcome. This evening we are super excited because it's the first Saigon in Hubli. And we are one of the very few women's Thai chapter, not just in India but in the whole world. Wow, really? Yes, it is. Actually, there is a few, the Mumbai, the Bangalore, and there is one in North India, and we are the youngest one. So, the Thai chapters that are actually very, very vibrant. So I give Gyan a big, big hand to all of us for with this, I let my colleague and Rekha just take 1 minute to share with you all what all we have done in VTech so far. And then before we move on to the panel, so Rekha herself is an entrepreneur and a VTech member.
Me being one of the members of VTech, it's I'm pleasant to just give a talk on VTech. VTech, Women Entrepreneur Wing of the English Entrepreneur. VTech is an integral part of Thai Hubli. Thai Hubli inaugurated its Women Entrepreneur Wing on 10th April at the Deshpande Foundation. VTech provides a platform for women entrepreneurs to connect and network. It also provides members with the opportunity to design programs and events that are specific to the women entrepreneur and that concern to their vital areas. We have done many activities like seminars, workshops, lectures by guest speakers, visits to industrial unit, networking programs, etc. Our mission is to promote the women entrepreneur in the North Karnataka region. Thank you.
Today we have a very interesting panel discussion and we have a young, dynamic and successful women entrepreneurs with us. I am here to introduce them. First we have Anju Kata, founder and director at webtv.in. Anju is communications enthusiast, trained filmmaker and economist. 10 years spent in the television industry in Mumbai, presenting, directing, reporting and editing programs that would run into hundreds of hours of programming. Her interest has always been toward non-fiction programming. Her solid academic background in economics made her lean towards in-depth business coverage and reporting. She launched webtv.in after moving to Bangalore and after getting experience of doing independent projects. Her vast experience at storytelling and very experienced editing sensibilities has helped maintain a great balance between creative and delivery. A self-confessed, cut the clutter, get to the point attitude has enhanced webtv.in's endeavors and focused messaging. The happiest you can find Anju is when she is writing a script or a video or in the editing room. And yes, there is always a song or music piece playing loud in her head. I am sure we all are eager to listen this enthusiastic storyteller. So with this, I welcome Anju Karu. Thank you so much. Manasa means mind. We have a lady who has made her mind to go the extra mile and achieve great success. At very young age, she started an event management company that believes in creating experiences and not just events. Mansa is an information science engineer and an NLP practitioner. With a firm belief in her abilities to lead and manage people, she finally took the entrepreneurial route in the final year of her degree. Today, after almost 5 years into her journey as an entrepreneur, Center Stage has successfully completed 400 plus events with an impressive list of 100 clients which include Microsoft, Airtel, Samsung, Oracle, etc. Her leadership and vision with business abilities have also led her to start Center Stage operations in Mumbai. Manasa is very simple, down to earth, yet charismatic person with a vision to create experiences for clients globally. Next on the panel, we have a very successful, as her name says, Yashaswini Ramaswamy. She is the Managing Director of E2E People Practices, a leadership firm that helps SME entrepreneurs scale their companies. She has created various platforms for promoting entrepreneurs and women leaders. A few of her achievements have been setting up the Giant Group of Institutions IDEA program, CEO Satsang, an exclusive school for CEOs, and is currently a venture capitalist that has funded over 46 companies. With a combined turnover of 147 crores, employing more than 2,300 people. She has been awarded an Emerging Future World Leader by the Bill Clinton Foundation, USA. Welcome. It's a pleasure and privilege to have all of you here.
Thank you.
With all these vibrant ladies, we have our own Neelam Maheshwari as a moderator. Neelam needs no introduction to us, but as a formality, I'll just briefly read her resume. Neelam Maheshwari is a Livelihood Program Director for the Deshpande Foundation. She brings with her over 7 years of grassroots experience promoting livelihoods from her work at Professional Assistance for the Development Action, Pradhan, an award-winning livelihood NGO in India. Neelam's experience with livelihood spans from managing self-help groups to building enterprise-based people's organizations. At the Deshpande Foundation, Neelam launched a unique program to incubate and assist small-scale entrepreneurs called Navodyami, with the overarching goal to unleash entrepreneurship at the bottom of the pyramid. The Navodyami works closely with large number of entrepreneurs. Neelam.
Everyone knows Dipali, right? We'll be letting after this go a quick round of introductions. I really want to hear the stories of three amazing women here. And without much ado, we basically begin and keep it a little informal and interactive as women like it all the time. And then we'll begin presenting if you want to just take on and just share who you are.
Hi, I just want to get a quick sense. How many of you are already entrepreneurs? Women entrepreneurs also. Sure. So, and the others are hoping to be? Yes. Okay. My name is Anju. What we did actually was also meet for the first time this morning. We've not known each other from before. And what we discovered was a happy mix of not only experience and life experiences and work experiences, but also the fact that we're actually in almost the 3 different phases of entrepreneurship between us. Mansa is our young Turk, started off immediately after college. I've had a spell at work and then started my own pretty small type ship. And of course, Yashaswini is flying high. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually introduce perhaps first, go with it first, and then lead Manasa to tell you about her experiences, and maybe Yashaswini, who actually gets more and more entrepreneurs to become entrepreneurs and lead them and